Tired of booking hotels only to find no washer and dryer? Learn the exact filter trick to find them instantly on Expedia. I'll walk you through the simple steps, from searching to applying the right amenity filter, then double-checking before you book. Alright, let's start. The first thing we need to do is actually get to Expedia. So go ahead and open your browser and head to expedia.com. If you've got an account, great. But you don't actually need to log in for this to work, so no pressure. Now once the page loads, you'll see a handful of tabs at the top. Things like stays, flights, cars, and so on. We want the very first one. Click Stays. And now we're on to the good part. You'll see a search form for hotels. Enter your destination, wherever you're traveling to, a city, a landmark, an area. Then pick your dates. And don't forget the number of guests. This part is pretty straightforward, but make sure you get it right because the filter we're about to use will only show options available for those exact dates. Once everything looks good, click that blue search button. This might take a moment to process, but you'll soon be looking at a list of available hotels. Now here's where the magic happens. On the results page, look over to the left side. You'll see a section labeled Filters. Sometimes it's tucked under a button that says All Filters, so keep an eye out. Go ahead and click to open that up. Inside, you're going to find a whole list of amenity options. Pool, gym, free breakfast. And here's the really important part. Scroll down until you see washer and dryer, or laundry facilities. Check that box. And just like that, the page refreshes and you're only looking at hotels that have a washer and dryer. No more scrolling through irrelevant listings. But don't book just yet. Click on one of those hotels to open its full page. Scroll down through the amenities list. You want to confirm that laundry is actually available. Sometimes the filter catches a property that only has it in certain rooms, so this double check saves you disappointment later. Once you've confirmed, you're good to go. You've just gone from aimlessly browsing to finding exactly what you need in seconds, and let's be honest, that feels great. So next time you're planning a longer trip, you know exactly what to do. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy travels.